In this tutorial I will show you how to create such composite reference for Adobe Firefly in Illustrator. Select Rectangle tool to create yellow background. From Layers, lock background. Create new layer. Select Type tool. Set the text size. I am using Estrella Early font. Type text as you wish. Place it accordingly. Now again using Type tool, add subtext. Lock the text layers. Now select Ellipse tool and follow the process. Use Alt key to make copy. Select all ellipse layer and using Ctrl+G group it. Place it accordingly. Now from File select Place to add Milk Splash vector image. Place it accordingly. You will easily get such images from browser. From Properties, decrease opacity. Lock the layer. Select Curvature tool. Start tracing the border. After creating milk splash vector, hide the image. Provide different color to text and milk splash vector. Using Alt key, make copies of biscuits and place it randomly surrounding the background. After proper placement, press Window plus Shift plus S key. Make the selection. Save it in JPG format. In next tutorial I will show you how to generate creative brand poster using this composite reference in Adobe Firefly. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other tutorials. Thank you.